Alright, just another day. Just another day, another job. Oh boy. Time to get this trailer loaded onto the back so we can get this done.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Alright. Nothing bad can happen, right? Or at least I'm sure nothing bad can happen.
Turn right.
I'm stuck, aren't I? Yep, I'm stuck. Alright.
Turn right. Continue straight.
Alright. Just taking a load. By the way, this is 50 years into the future. We're sorry to interrupt regular programming at this time. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. We know that this is probably one of the worst times to issue this, but it is vital that you know this for your safety and well-being. A global emergency has been An emergency action notification has been issued for the entirety of Canada and surrounding countries. The United States government and Canadian government have united to cover this dangerous situation. We understand it's frightening, but this is vital to your safety. At approximately 9:15 p.m. At 9:15 p.m. A strange phenomenon, a strange anomaly or person was detected roaming the streets of Canada and the U.S. and has been causing significant disruptions in parts of Alberta and other areas. It is expected that this person or anomaly could disrupt the entirety of Canada and the entirety of the United States. The United States government has seen this happening in states by the border between the U.S. and Canada. The upper states have been seeing this happen as well. And the United States government, along with the Canadian government, have caught on to this issue and realized it's something that we don't know what it is, but it is happening. and we do know that it is dangerous. Please pull over to listen to, if you're on the highway or on a road, pull over to the side of the road so that way you can pay attention to this alert. The government has put a curfew in effect for the entirety of Canada. This is in place to prevent further fatalities. We understand that this is a dangerous situation, and not all people are going to be very calm about this. But we urge you to stay calm, as staying calm is one of the only few ways to stay safe. A curfew has been put in place from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you are driving a semi and you are in the middle of transporting goods, you can continue transporting goods. But once you've reached your destination, you are advised to find the nearest building and seek shelter inside. Make little noise. This anomaly has been attracted to lots of noise. Researchers have looked into this, and it is because of the moon. There is a blood moon occurring right now. If you are outside or in a vehicle, pull over and duck down. The moon will be up, and it will be shining red light onto the earth. This blood moon has been turning people that have been outside into these weird moonsters, as they're called. They are about 8 to 10 feet in height, and they are able to attack through noise. If you are near a moonster, do not look at it and do not approach it. Make little noise and do not look at it. If you make eye contact, keep looking at it and slowly back away into a corner, where then you can divert eye contact to something else. To identify a moonster, it is abnormally tall, very long arms, and its mouth can open to 4 times that of an adult human. These moonsters have razor-sharp teeth and the ability to puncture human skin and flesh. If you are in a vehicle and you're on the highway, pull over and find the nearest exit. If you are not near any exit, you should pull over and duck down. Same with any other road. If you cannot find an exit or shelter, pull over and duck down until daytime. Once daytime strikes, you are then able to continue your daily routine. It is advised the curfew ends as soon as it becomes night, and ends as soon as morning strikes. If you are caught outside, you will be deemed a threat and shot on sight. The Canadian and United States governments have closed the border. The border has been closed, and armed forces are preparing to shoot anyone that dares cross the border between Canada and the United States. If you arrive at the border between the US and Canada, you are advised to show credentials such as your ID and let them know that you are not a threat by shining your headlights 3 times with 1-second intervals between the flashes. This will let authorities know that you are not a threat and that you have your ID ready. You don't need any other documents or anything like that. The authorities will only need your ID, and they will check to see if you are qualified to go through the border. If you have committed a crime and you have an outstanding warrant, you will be arrested on site. Remember, if you are in a vehicle and you're on the highway or any road, find an exit with a shelter and go inside until daytime. Until daytime, this is your necessary precaution to ensure safety. Until more information becomes available, this is the information we have right now. Until more information becomes available, stay indoors and do not go outside. If you go outside, if it is necessary to go outside for essential supplies such as food or any other important item, you may go outside. If a police officer or military official sees you, they will ask you one question and it is required you answer. The question will be, "Hello, why are you out here?" You will be required to answer. If you tell them you either are going to the store to get essential supplies, or you are going to you're going to work, they will let you go. For any other reason, they will detain you and they will take you to the nearest police station. As going outside at night is illegal. If you are a truck driver and you are currently carrying a load to a certain destination, you can keep going once this alert ceases. For now, this is all the information we have. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this upcoming situation. This message will repeat every 15 to 20 minutes. Repeating. This alert will repeat every 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. Alright. Guess we're gonna get this load to our destination and then go to a shelter, I guess. I don't know. That's what the alert said. Oh boy. Please do not speed. There are no speed limits when you're in the laws and when they require you to get your load to get your load delivered and go to a shelter or something. Ah boy. This is gonna be one heck of a journey, I will admit. Ah boy. I don't know. I'm just trying to get this load done, or this delivery done, so that way I can get home to my family. So I can see my kids again. And then I can finally do another job. I don't know why there's so many people out on the highway if there's a curfew in effect right now. I don't know how long this blood moon will last, but hopefully it doesn't last too long. Or else I'll have to be extra cautious where I'm going. Jeez. I hope this is a gas station. Thank God. There's a gas station. I was wondering where you were. Did you get your Did you get the groceries? What kind of donuts do they have then?
Regular donuts that you buy off the shop. Their muffins are $2 more expensive than Walmart's. I spent $12 just on muffins.
Time to buy some more stuff at this mart. And get a car wash too.
Everything was like $2 more expensive. Your chips were $2 more expensive. Your yogurt was $2 more expensive. I can't afford a program.
Jeez. That's outrageous. Good idea. Good idea. This broadcast has vital information for your safety. For your safety, if you're on the highway or on the road, pull over in a safe spot or park in a safe place and stop your engines. Or if you're in your house, pause all actions and pay attention. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government. The previous alert that was issued a few minutes ago has worsened, and the situation has gotten worse. It has been reported that this blood moon will last for 3 months. Actually, no. It will last for 2 years. 2 years of chaos and destruction. However, the Moonsters will weaken during the day. They will slow down, and they will be less dangerous during the day. But at night, they will be really strong, and they will have the ability to go 2 times as fast as normal. They will do twice the damage, go 3 times as fast as the fastest person in the world, and they will go aggro easier. Just an update on the previously issued alert. But the curfew will still be in effect, and you will still have to follow all rules given by civil authorities. Failure to comply will result in a $375,000 fine and up to 2 years in jail. Stay safe and have a nice evening. Jeez. I have to get my truck washed. Okay.
Boston cream Pop-Tarts.
Ooh. Cool. Ah, boy. Okay. Mhm. Time to get back on the highway. We interrupt regular programming to bring you more information. This is an update on the Moonsters situation. The Moonsters have strengthened even more a few minutes after the last alert was issued. The entire country of Canada has gone under lockdown, meaning that wherever you are, no matter where, on the road, in your house, or any other location, you will be forced to go in a shelter that is near you. Gas station or whatever, does not matter. Even if you have to carry a load, your business you will be forced to cancel your job until the 2 years goes by. This is Hip Hop 57. This is Funk. Alright, let me change the station real quick. This is your daily funk. We do not know what song is going to be playing, but whatever, we do not care. For some odd reason, we've been getting reports of some of these odd creatures known as Moonsters roaming the streets of the city, killing people, and, well, destroying stuff. Cool.
Strawberry pineapple.
Okay. Weirdly enough, this has been happening a lot in Canada, and they just and the government and the United States government just informed us of a possibility that they would need to nuke the This information may be vital for your safety. If you are in a vehicle, pull over. If you are indoors, pause all movements and things you're doing, and pay attention. This message may have vital information that could save you in an event of disaster. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the of the Crime City Police Department. The city has gone under a lockdown, meaning that you must seek a shelter wherever you are, and you must shelter in place. You're only allowed to go outside if it's an emergency, in case you need to work and or get essential supplies. Other than that, you must stay indoors, especially at night. Failure to comply will result in a $375,000 fine and up to 2 years in jail. And or you being killed by one of the Moonsters. Moonsters are weird creatures that are 8 to 10 feet in height. They have the ability to kill and destroy. They are smarter than the average adult human. They have really long arms.
You're putting monsters in that are smarter than the average human? That's not fair.
They have the ability to run faster than the fastest human on the face of this earth. And
That's an inclusion? You don't even know who Flojo is.
And they have the ability to run faster than the top speed of a normal vehicle. This is only if it's nighttime. If it's daytime, they run slightly slower, they do less damage, and they're not as smart. Try and make as little noise as possible. Too much noise and you could aggro them. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this situation. Bop, bop, bop. Well, now I'm stuck at this random building, and I don't even know what to do. Well, I'm Mr. Goldman. I'm invincible. I have the ability to crush anybody in my path. Let's go save Crime City. Hold on. I need my super food. Yeah, faster than the speed of light. Let's go. Faster than the speed of light. Ow. Alright, let's go over to the military. Ow! I keep crashing into people. Alright. Ow! I fell again. This sucks. Alright, time to enter the military base. Go into their research facility. Let me crack open the door here and enter. A few hours later. Alright, I'm gonna head over to the facility over here, which is what? Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and enter through the door. Hey! A few hours later. Alright, we gave them the information they need. And so now it's time to get back in our car. Hold on, let me disable YouTube real quick. There we go. Alright, time to hop in. Hop into a random vehicle real quick. I don't know. I don't know. Welcome back to Crime City News, reporting to you live from downtown Crime City. And it appears as if if you are in a vehicle, pull over in a safe place. If you are indoors, pause all current activity and pay attention. This message may have vital information for your safety. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Crime City Emergency Management. We have gotten more information on the situation from a guy named Mr. Gold. He says that this can be stopped, but only he can stop it. Mr. Gold, if you're listening to this broadcast, we're counting on you to save humanity. We're counting on you, man. We are counting on you. And the everyday Canadian government and other forces too. Because this is the last time they can do their thing. So yeah, that's all the information we have for now. Thank you for listening, and thank you for your time. Okay, it's time to go inside this house. A few hours later. Alright, so it appears as if there's nothing I can do. I guess Crime City is doomed. I don't know what to do. Well, this city sucks anyways. Guess it's time we get the everyday Canadian government in here. I need to call Kitty Man real fast. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hello? Yeah, Mr. Kitty Man. I was wondering if you could come down to Crime City and evacuate everything and everyone from here. We got these things called Moonsters. I'm sure you've heard about them since they're in your military. Yeah, they're very dangerous, and they've probably escaped containment. We were wondering if you could come and get them, because there's not much I can really do to stop them. I went to the source of the disaster, or the source of the issues. There's nothing I could find in there. So yeah, all I need you to do is go here, come here and evacuate. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Boop, boop, boop. Guess my work here is done. Guess we can return this car to its rightful owner. Excuse me, slow traffic. Oh, ouch. Sorry. Zoop. Avatar. I just had to run all the way over to Polar 6, 3,500 miles north of my ass. Excuse my language. That was only like 300 miles for my super speed. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go up to the top of this tower real quick, because it's absolutely urgent. Sir, it's very urgent. I need to talk to you. Bonjour. So, you know how Candyman's coming to save us all from the Moonsters and all that stuff? Yeah, why do you ask? He already did it. Well, that's good. I guess you can leave now, Mr. Gold. You're right. Well, I'm sorry I spawned you in here. I'm gonna have to put you out of your misery now. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and leave now. Did not mean to do that. Did not mean to shoot my gun aimlessly. Oh. Okay. This is a little... I'm just gonna jump down. Alright. I'm gonna head back to where I belong. At my mansion. Nothing that could possibly go wrong. As I, Mr. Gold, was tired of this place. I'm tired of it. I'm gonna go ahead and blow this place to the ground. Ouchie. Well, I guess Polar 6 is destroyed. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, this just didn't go off. I'm just gonna activate these missiles and let them deal with it. Yeah, this is definitely one way to blow up Polar 6. Is to just nuke it and detonate it with missiles. Yeah, well, Mr. Goldman is done here.